Hey guys, what's up? I just wanted to talk to you about these gummies and kind of give you some tips for some questions that people might have, just to kind of help you help you decide if this is what's right for you. So I get these in the 3-pack boxes, which last me a while. Based on having 60 gummies, it generally lasts me 30 days a bottle because I take 2 a day. And then, of course, occasionally I forget, but it lasts me about a month for each bottle. So that'll last me 3 months when I get the 3-pack. And then I think there's a few different, like you can get a single bottle. I think there might also be a 6-pack. Anyway, one of the common questions about these is that, so they're made with pectin, which is fruit peel, instead of gelatin, which I really like. But one of the things that can happen is they may stick together, right? And so, like in this case, they're fine. Like mine aren't really sticking together, but I just want to give you some tips about that. Because they're made with pectin, they're going to be more sensitive to like heat and humidity. So you just want to keep them in a cool, dry place. If you notice that they start to clump for some reason, you can just stick them in your refrigerator for like 30 minutes, kind of give it a reset, and then like hit the bottle really hard to kind of loosen them up and break that bond between them. You can also use like maybe a clean chopstick to roll around in there to just kind of loosen them up. And it's good to just shake them every once in a while to keep them from like bonding together. But it is really great that they're made with pectin, and I actually really prefer that, and I'm thankful that they do that. But it's just nice to know a few little tips that you can use for that. So as far as like, I was a big melatonin user and I've tried to move away from that. And this has been a good option for me. In addition to like, sometimes I do magnesium, but for me, this is a good like daily option. So, depending on what you want to use it for, like for some people, so this is in a way to explain it as different from melatonin. Something like melatonin is going to more like help to force sleep, where this is going to lower cortisol, which is going to like just bring more calm. So if you're looking to take it for sleep, it might be helpful for you to do a couple before, like 30 minutes to an hour before bed. But for folks who are just looking for it to help with like calm, that could be something where maybe you take a couple during the day, like during work stress hours or something like that. For me, I'm leaning onto it more for just like good, consistent sleep. I think in general, it's considered to reach its peak like performance after taking it daily, regularly for several weeks, right? More so than like when you take it on the first day for a direct reaction. So anyway, I really like it. They are pretty sweet. There are a couple of like added sugars, I think, for each. And you want to generally take 2, I think, is the recommended amount. They are kind of like a gummy sort because they're sweet. It's fun to chew. I particularly like them right before bed. But anyway, I hope this was helpful for you. And I hope you have a great day.